Hello everybody and welcome back to Herbies Garage. Today I'm on my 2025 LIFAN KPT 400, and what we're going to do today is we're going to have a sizing of the motorcycle to see who fits on this bike and who doesn't. I'm going to have my wife and my daughter and myself, and we're all going to get on the bike and demonstrate how it feels with your arm position, your foot position, and whether it's comfortable or anything like that. So come on over and I'll show you my family. It's my daughter.
Hi.
This is my wife.
Hello.
And we're going to go for our sizes, let you know how tall we are and inseam. I don't know what my inseam is, but okay, what's yours, honey? How tall are you and what's your inseam?
5'1", 29.
29, and then I'm 5'6", and my inseam was 30.
30.
Yeah.
30, 31?
Yeah.
31, yeah.
31, I think. It was 31.
Okay, and I'm 6'1", and who knows, 32, 33 inches, something like that. So we'll go ahead and get started, and we'll start with my wife, and we'll just kind of work our way up. Okay, now my wife's going to get on the bike, and she had a little bit of a difficult time getting on the seat, so I told her just go ahead and put her foot down there on the peg and stand on the peg to get on. So that's what she's going to do. Makes it a lot easier for her to mount the motorcycle. Now, we'll go ahead and try to pull it this way to center her up. Can you get behind her and kind of help hold it up?
Back here.
Yeah, my feet aren't going to touch, so.
Okay, can you touch both feet or no?
No.
Can't touch both feet?
No, I can't.
Okay, so her sitting position still is pretty upright. And her arms are extended all the way, looks like, but she's got an upright seated position. The problem is, at her height, she can only touch on one side. If I come around here and look at her other foot, go ahead and put your foot down. We'll see how close it comes. She's a couple inches off of the ground, so she probably is about 2 inches too short in order to be able to touch comfortably. So a person her height and her inseam is going to have a difficult time being able to mount this motorcycle and to ride it. So, but the seating position is pretty comfortable. You feel comfortable on it?
Oh, I do. Yeah, the seat's very comfortable.
Okay. Okay. Okay, now my daughter is going to get on it. She has a lot easier time being able to get on it, put the kickstand up, and she can touch on both feet. What'd you say your height was?
5'6".
5'6". And let's look and see how much room she has under her foot. She has a couple of fingers under her heel, but her toes are touching. And we'll come over here to the other side. And it's the same way on this side. She's got a couple of fingers, so she can fit on it pretty good. And she's got a very upright riding stance. Her arms are bent just slightly, but it looks like it's really comfortable. Is it comfortable to you?
It was pretty comfortable.
It is? Okay. How's the seat feel?
Comfortable.
Okay. Now you mentioned earlier whenever you got on it that the bike felt heavy to you. Does it feel heavy to you? It does? Okay. She's not used to riding a bike this big. She's rode the smaller bikes, but this is a little bit heavy for her. But for your height, 5'6", it would probably be a very acceptable size to be able to ride, don't you think?
Yeah, for sure.
Okay. Okay, now it's my turn. I'm 6'1", and I have no problem whatsoever with the height of the bike. Now when I'm on it, both feet are flat on the ground and my knees are bent. So I've got quite a bit of room here. I don't know, maybe a couple, 2 or 3 inches maybe, whenever I stand all the way up. But 6'1" is a great height for riding this bike. I am so relaxed sitting here. My arms feel relaxed. I have bend in them. My back feels relaxed. I don't have any stress. I'm not leaning forward or anything like that. It feels really good to me. And it's comfortable, and it feels like it's balanced for me real good. So I would say if you're from 5'6" on up, maybe even 5'5", but somewhere in that area up to over 6 foot, this bike would be perfect for you. And that's basically the test that we wanted to do today, is to see what size person that this bike will fit. Now, inseam makes a lot of difference. There are some shorter people that have longer legs, and they could probably ride the bike. That's a decision and a choice you'll have to make. But that's all we have for you today. I just wanted to demonstrate that, and hopefully it was helpful to you. And I guess I'll see you on the next one.
Thanks for watching.
Please like and subscribe.